on record. I'm so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Twilight. You can't really see it, but be jealous of my wristband. It's so cool. This is like the 19th time now. This is Body Girl 2006. I'm here to sing you another video. Music. I don't know what I'm talking about. But I love you because you guys are awesome. Okay, so this is Birds and Boats by Gregory Hawk, which I love. Okay, yeah. Okay. Cool. If you'll be my star, I'll be your sky. You can hide underneath me and come out at night. When I turn jet black and you show off your light, I live to let you shine. I live to let you shine. And you can skyrocket away from me and never come back if you find another galaxy far from here with more room to fly. Just leave me your stardust to remember you by. If you'll be my boat, I'll be your sea. The depth of pure water, just a curiosity, ebbing and flowing and pushed by a breeze. I live to make you free. I live to make you free. And you can set sail to the west if you want to, and past the horizon till I can't even see you. Far from here, where the beaches are wide, just leave me your way to remember you by. You'll be my star, I'll be your sky. You can hide underneath me and come out at night. When I turn jet black and you show off your light, I live to let you shine. I live to let you shine. And you can skyrocket away from me and never come back if you find another galaxy far from here with more room to fly. Just leave me your stardust to remember you by. Stardust to remember you by.